If you're a creator who's making videos, uploading them onto YouTube, and trying to build an audience around that content, there are mistakes you might be making in your edit that can actually stop that content from really connecting with the very people you're trying to reach. Here are the top 5 mistakes, in my opinion, that you want to avoid when creating your video edits. Number 1. Lose the intros. You know those branded intros with graphics and text and music that don't really have anything to do with the video, but people put at the beginning of their videos? Lose those. Kick those things to the curb. Now more than ever, the opening moments in your videos are incredibly important. Viewers will decide in a second if they're gonna hang around and watch more of your video or if they're gonna click and move on to another video instead. So don't waste a second of that time. Make sure you get right to the content that the viewers are there to see. Mistake number 2, make sure that you talk directly to your audience. As much as I'd like to think that a bunch of people all get together every time I publish a video and sit in one room and they all wait for the minute that video launches and hit play all at the same time, it's just not the case. Typically, it's gonna be a single person, probably watching on their mobile device. Make sure you're talking directly to that individual. Saying things like, "Hey everyone," doesn't make a lot of sense when the people who are watching are probably sitting by themselves. Try to use words like "you" instead. Today, I want to talk to you about the mistakes you might be making in your video edits. Mistake number 3, don't be an AskHole. If you start your videos and you start asking for all sorts of things like, "Hey, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you like this video, share it out with your friends, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Hey, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to smash that subscribe button." Do me a favor, stop smashing things. No more smashing. The one thing we really want people to do is to watch the video that's in front of them. And then hopefully, if we do a great job, we want them to go on to watch another one of our videos. Get right to the value that the thumbnail and the title promised, the thing that the viewer is actually there for. What we want to do is get that viewer watching and keep that viewer watching. And if we do a great job of making content that consistently serves their needs, they'll do all those other things like and subscribe all by themselves. The 4th mistake I think that creators make is they forget to trim the fat. Take a good hard look at your video and really decide what really needs to be in there. Anything that doesn't serve the needs of that viewer, take that out. Mistake number 5, last but not least, don't give the audience any clue that the video is about to end. If you give people the permission to leave by saying things like, "Well, thanks everybody for watching the video," or you start recapping things that you've already talked about earlier in the video, chances are that you're giving those viewers permission to leave the video. And guess what they're gonna do? Yeah, they're gonna leave. And if they leave, they might miss that end screen element that hopefully you're using in your videos, or the part where you tell them to click the links that are down below in the description, or maybe a pinned comment. When you've reached the end of your video, instead of saying thanks, why don't you try saying something that really reflects your value proposition and might get that viewer to watch another one of your videos. Try something like, "Hey, if you want to learn more about making better video content and growing your YouTube channel, make sure you click on the link that's on screen now or the one that I'll put down below." Peace.